everybody, I'm Lisa from the Yohos, and today I'm taking it easy. I am doing a very relaxing craft. It's almost like a paint by numbers, but there's no numbers, there's just paint. I was at the thrift store last week, and I know, shocking, I go more than once a week sometimes, but just don't tell Mark. Oh, and by the way, Mark, he is actually downstairs rehearsing. He has a show in a couple weeks at a local pub. So it's just me. So yeah, so you might hear him off and on throughout the video. Not sure. I just wanted to quickly talk about that before we get started. Now, I have painted something very similar to these in the past. They're like the little houses, and they're almost like a ceramic. Well, they are a ceramic, they're not almost. Now on the back, they actually have a hanger and they're raised. So that's kind of cool. It's kind of foolproof, really. And you guys, check out how much I paid for them. I only paid 99 cents each. That's a deal. Thank you very much. Now, I don't know if I'm ever going to use them. I'm going to be honest with you. I might give them as a gift. I have no idea. I just wanted a little craft, and it's not breaking my bank to do it. So, also using paint from the dollar store. I have a lot of different colors, and I'm just going to mix up whatever I don't have. Dora in the background. She's been a maniac lately. Like a maniac. Anyways. And brushes that I got online quite a while ago, and I believe I noticed them at the dollar store a little while ago. They're not the highest quality brushes, but they get the job done. I'm specifically going to go with the really smaller brush more than likely. Yeah, I just want to take you along with me, and hopefully you enjoy. And if you're new here, thanks so much for stopping by. And if you're not new here, thanks again for coming back. And if you want to hit that subscribe at the end of the video, we would love that. Thank you so much. Or right now, whenever you want. It's just like right at the bottom of the screen. Anyways, so let's get started. So these things are quite heavy actually. And like I say, they are all raised. So you can actually feel the little bumps and little grooves. So the paint's gonna really soak into this. So what I'm going to do is just actually paint the entire thing white. I know that kind of sounds silly.
It'll kind of act like a primer, if you will, because this ceramic is very porous. So the paint gets soaked right in.
Now, I know what old churches look like. I know that. But I just wanted to pop on Pinterest and see if I had any inspiration of any colors and kind of what it looks like in the snow in the country. And I don't know, just why else do you go to Pinterest? It's to be inspired. So that's what I'm doing. And I am literally typing in old church in winter.
All right, that's it. I'm not talking anymore. I'll just let you enjoy the video. See you at the end.
Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. I sure did. It was very relaxing. A slower pace. We have a lot of projects that we have planned for the winter. So this is kind of just a getting into the groove. And if you didn't, there's other videos you can watch. But if you did, I've got a few other videos that are very similar to this that I will link in the description box below. And feel free to browse through. We have a ton in the playlist, and if you want to check those out, all kinds of little crafty things if anybody is getting into the Christmas spirit very early. Relax, people. Anyways, thanks so much, you guys, for stopping by. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.